Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to fix do not disturb turning on automatically on your iPhone. So first of all we will go to settings and find the option focus, tap on it and you will find on top do not disturb and scroll down and here add schedule, tap on it. You can turn off this option schedule to customize this. You can also customize from here to anytime, also from here, and you can also turn on and off manually days and weeks, like I will turn off Wednesday and Thursday. So that's all for today. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.